Garage? Hey, fellas, the garage. Well, ooh-la-dee-da, Mr. Frenchman.
Well, what do you call it?
A car hole.
Yeah, I don't think that's supposed to be there. Welcome, Internet, to the car hole. And today, we have my 04 Nissan Pathfinder. And we have a problem. My springs are both broken. So this was parked out front of my house for a while because I haven't been driving it. And somebody backed into it. It's a little scuffed. Nothing major, right? But I noticed it. And I thought, whoa, that's neat. They backed into it hard enough or something, pushed down on the bumper, and both broke the... Can't talk. Broke both the springs. So, like, it's strange because the bumper's not really even damaged that bad. That was there before. So, I gotta go to Pick and Pull and get some springs, I guess. So, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, just gotta make a quick stop. Always a quick stop. Alright, I think we need row 38. Yeah. There we go. This'll work. So, just been trying to get this bugger out. I forgot my Allen keys. So, these sway bar link is going to be interesting to get out. Because obviously that just spins in there. And yeah, anyway, this is kind of neat. I don't know what was going on here. That's interesting. Alright, I'm going to beat the heck out of this and try to get that out. So yeah, on further inspection, there's actually a nut behind there. And you just put a wrench on there and that should come off. Jeez. Well, remember, I'm not a mechanic, so that's a good enough excuse, right? Show you guys a little tip. Okay, so, oh, that's on there because I stripped the fuck out of it. Oops. And we put the vice grip on there. So now, you know how you gotta turn these sometimes? Alright. Anyway, put another vice grip on your end here and tighten that. Tighten that up real good. And then you get all the kinds of lockingness going on there. And now, this is coming. Actually, I gotta hold it. Do an up and down view. Try that. Might not see nothing. There we go. Beautiful. One down, one to go. Sweet. Yeah, that's the pick and pull bag. All the basic essentials. Flathead screwdriver, knife, snips, crescent, breaker bar, so on and so forth. Okay, so I got these things back here. Now you're probably wondering, why is one rustier than the other? Well, I forgot some tools, and needless to say that the sway bar link on the one, if you remember earlier, was, maybe I didn't show it, but it was broken. Or, yeah, somebody had already started pulling this one out. So I thought, well, perfect, that'll be quicker. So, they're better than what's in here, because what's in here is completely decked. So I'm going to get started, and I'll fill you in along the way. Yeah, I got a haircut too, by the way. Thanks. Looks alright, eh? Lowered the ears. Or raised them. I don't know. Where's my jack? They might have been torqued too much, I think, actually. Okay. Let's see what we got. I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get this bugger up. Oh shit, yeah. It's right here. Mint. Seems odd. Oh, this one. Yep. Get in here and look at this. This is nuts. Oh, I probably should get a light. Yeah, hang on. I can just turn the phone on the camera. Duh. Anyway, look at this. Have you ever seen anything so wonderful? Actually, it's not. Look at it, busted everything. She's just right dick. Like, I don't understand, but oh yeah, like, but yeah. So I got a lift kit for this. It's just some plastic spacers, so maybe you might not even call it a lift kit, but maybe we'll throw that in. I just got it sitting around, so I was gonna do it, and then I'm like, I'm lazy, and then I thought, well, may as well. But I'm selling this anyway. Yeah, this is for sale, and she's pretty minty. She's not bad. She is not bad at all. Like, did a windshield in it. It's got some hail damage, but that'll be gone because I got a new hood for it. It's got some roof leakage outage. Oh, that's peeling. That's fine, though. Anyway, yeah. So if you know anybody who wants to buy it, I think I'm going to try to ask $5 grand-ish. Yeah. Anyway, I get sidetracked real easy, so we're going to get back to this. Pull that wheel off and start taking these out and get her done. Deep creep. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Gotta get that everywhere. See, I did the sway bar links in this already because it made some weird noise, so I need to change it. No, don't do that. Oh, did it come out? Okay. Oh. It was being a little fussy. Oh yeah, of course. Oh, come on now. Spring's right in the road. This is the interestingest part. What if that'll be? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay. Is that even? Okay. Okay. Get that back on there. See, I took it off too soon, dumbass. Now I can't get that in there because the stupid spring's in the way. Ah! Oh, let's turn it. See what happens. Oh, maybe we can turn it right back up into its home. Probably not. Oh, that hurt a little. Okay. Well, will that just thread off? Oh, there you go. Okay. Bing bong. Shout out to Frankie Candles. Okay, get that sucker out. Oh, it's not really moving that good. Well, oh, you know what I gotta do? Go up a bit. And then, whoop, ching ching. Okay, so look at that.
Would you look at that?
That is broke right there. So what happened was these springs were probably already broken. Both of them, yeah, kind of odd, but because obviously that's not fresh. So probably what happened is they backed into it and then they were so weak that it just decided to go ding bong bing bong. So yeah, it wasn't all, makes sense now that I look at the brake, right? It's just weird how both sides. Gonna get this done and then we'll move on to the other side. Oh, those were new thingies in there. I think this thing has new strut mounts. You know that? Cool. Oh, come on now. No, I don't want to go that way. Okay, we'll go this way then. Don't hit that brake line. Or don't mess it up anyway. Oh! There we go. Got a little visitor coming to get some apples. Oh, deciding to leave. So here's this kit we're gonna put in. Yeah, just basically raises the suspension. So I think it's a 2-inch, maybe 1.5. So those are the rears, obviously, for the springs, and then these are the fronts. So I'm gonna start with that, and then yeah, she'll be good. Yum 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 yum. Hello. Okay. Now I'll put the new / used one in. All right, ladies and germs. All right, ladies and germs. Oh, that's dying. we're just getting this one out. This is the driver's side. So yeah, ready to pull her out and get the other one in. The other one in's done. Or the other one in's done. The other one's in and done and fine. So just gotta massage this one. Ugh. These actually aren't that bad to do. And then, oh, the lift kit. So I'm selling this thing. So I'm thinking, you know, I'm not gonna. I got another project that I just bought the other day, and you know, I'm thinking, well, I should probably utilize my time better and try to get that thing running better and sell it. So I thought, you know what? There's no point in putting a lift in this thing, as much as I want to. I mean, I'm selling it anyway. So I thought, well, you know, there's no point because it might not even make the value of the vehicle go up, which honestly I don't think it would. I will offer it as, you know, if they want it, then I'll either give it to them or, you know, for an extra couple $100, or not even cheap, like $100 or something. I think I only paid two something for it. So yeah, that's my plan with that. Like I said, I want to get started on that other project, which you'll see soon. So if you stay tuned, that will be coming up in a few videos. Oh wait, I picked up a. I can't tell you. You'll just have to wait to find out what it is. All I can tell you is it's a Ford. It's a Ford. Actually, if you looked earlier in the videos, you might actually see it. Oh shit! I just wrecked my own surprise. Oh well. Or your surprise, I guess. Well, what is going on here? This is just... Is that all the way down? Oh, this is just hung up in here. Okay, let's see if I can... I should probably put a better pry bar in there. Let's do something pokey so we poke the boot. There we go. So yeah, these aren't too bad to do. Well, I don't think so. I've done a few struts in the past. So yeah, there goes that. Dunsky. Alrighty, well, I'll get in there and get the other one in there and we should be good. Well, that's better. Much better. So yeah, that is about it. Now, clean this thing up and get ready to list it. Cool, well thanks for watching my shitty videos and we'll see you next time.